Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today is Monday and I will covering some of the market for you guys. Today is Monday and recently we are seeing a bit of a pump in the dollar after a correction from 100 to 98, a 2% correction I think. Yeah, not that over 5. My projection is still the dollar will reach here and um, maybe not into this exact area, but it will go up in a few weeks or even months to come. Market structure wise, we are still making high lows and high highs. Wait, what is that? Okay, I don't really know what this. Um, so what is that except? So let's covering some of the macroeconomics this week. So this week there's only there's a lot of news, especially on Wednesday night, Wednesday morning, Thursday, and we have from the NFP, no, NFE, and unemployment rate. And on Friday we have PMIs. So we'll see what's the number in the future. Firstly, let's look at the United Kingdom. I meant to that state here. Um, it actually projected that the stock market in the future it will like go down a few years later, few months later, and the dollar will weaken along with it. So I don't really trust this. Okay, inflation rate is still fine. We haven't have any new inflation print. I think last week. Yeah, there was no news last week, so the market doesn't really run a lot. So if there isn't anything to cover, besides the fact that let's see, Tuesday, we just dip a bit. Look at the euro pound, euro dollar, and how the forex pair. Still, for the time being, making high lows, low lows, and low highs on the arrows. But change in the future if you have a better print of the arrows and bad print for the dollar. It would be a bit rare, I think. Although we will need to break below 1.13 for the structure of the whole. Moreover, we have just hit this fair value region. Now, for us now, we are still trading below the value. What show I mean, yeah, but we're still trading above the value area point control from this high in September. And even this recent lows, still trading above it. So I would say it's an opportunity to go short. Or I mean, can say it's just we're trading right at the control with the area of supply in here, which has quite a bit of volume in it. Go sideways a bit, go down, liquidate something in here. We have opportunity to go short once we have another mini break of structure in here, then it goes go back and we get somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern. So I don't really trade forex anymore. I just use it as I mean, I do want to trade it, but it just moves so slow, man. I can't really watch it every day. Like this, it's I mean, it depends on the pair. To be honest, GBUSD, breaking below this low, so we'll have more bearishness to become, and I will be looking forward to sell for a supply zone all the way back because we are seeing very little volume in here. though there's cross coming for the pound. Just wait for it to revert to this 200 EMA. We see Japanese yen. Yeah, still very bullish. So very bullish. With all the trade strengthening and when yen is weakening. It's weakening. Weakening. Yeah. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Yeah, I don't really follow this pair, so I don't know. For gold though. For gold, it is a very different story. I've hit this, I feel in this gap over here, and for now we are making. I mean, we're still bullish, of course. This is our most low, our lows, but I will expect another push up for the metals because I really believe in the strengthening of metals in the near future. I mean, silver has hit this uh, at all-time highs a few days back. I think I don't know. I remember if I share some. Yeah, it's like this. Said a few weeks back, but I closed brief on C with the attention to buyback. But for the paper chat, this paper chat account, I'm not it's a different account. I want to try it a $5,000 account so I can get used to a cheaper profit accounts. Yeah, maybe you should have held it all the way and had 8%, but who knows? Who cares? I mean, after that, it did dip a lot, so could be opportunity to buy back, but I didn't, so whatever. Okay, for gold, should it go long or go short? Honestly, if, let's look at some of the technicals here. This 1 hour, it's trading sideways. I've seen this low. Okay, since this low, could be seeing another mean reverting to the high up here to fill in this gap, or this self was pretty strong. But honestly, we've been go trading sideways since for a few days already. But I mean, obviously, bullish and gold maybe could be this like the wave 3, this is wave 4, and one ABC, ABC correction, and then first it up, first wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, move up, 1, 2, 3, 4, could be a 5 wave up, provided we stay up here. That's from there, and the wave standpoint is a bit speculative. I don't really use any other indicators. I mean, there's a bullish divergence here for sure. Between double bottoms and just going trading sideways for since last Friday. So should I would rather buy it and put set as stop loss low this low. It's our validation point. Okay, there it is. Let's measure the ATR first. Okay, hopefully we don't get taken out by the yeah, I think my stop loss should be around here. 2 times the ITR, so I don't get stop out prematurely. Time order, buy order. Please, yes, please only 1%. Wow, only allow one. Maybe could be just adjust the entry and just just do it. Seems like we have to go for a fixed stop loss. They don't really allow me to do that for some reason. This Bitcoin trade is not going very well. enter it here. Mm, not good. I see really well to stop out at break even. My god, so shame. Yeah, I mean this one also makes some profits. I mean, not much because it only the size is minimal because I only use it to hedge out. Yeah, store it up here. Only use it to hedge, not to actually make more profit. Interesting enough. Okay. Um. Okay, we'll have to have another analysis in later on. I will update it now. I have to stop out, so I have to update it to the Discord server. Okay, stop out. Review. Yeah, now account. Okay, two. Oh, this is like very valid. Move to. I mean, you look at this and most volume is concentrated upwards, so could be a sense of mean reverting. Yikes. But I think we can get a bounce per few bounce. Yeah, forgot. Yeah, my target would be this high, but we don't have to go that far because this would be a 1 4 this trade. Be way ideal to do that. I mean, I'll just let it there, and we don't really have to hit our target. We just need to have it above of 1 to 2, or what at least 1 to 1 is now. Yeah, around 1 to 2 should be around here. Let's see if we have to trim our stop loss. Okay, let's see silver. Silver the same as gold. Silver is more violent than gold. Gold and both very hand in hand. One. It's down here. Different, yeah. Yeah, see it's at these highs. Yeah, okay, the same. They didn't put identical vehicles, not really. Let's see if Bitcoin. We just hit our break-even target. So let's see. Let's see something. Let's do some more analysis. Maybe should have taken profit here and there. This was the cent sweep. Yeah, really surprised this volatility though. Initially I found entry based on this volume note. Make sure I put the entry where there's the least volume, so it moves faster. I will learn more. I can learn more for this volume based trading. This in profit, I mean, 100% profit. So not a much of dollars. Few fast trades, they make a lot. So a lot. Yeah. But why do I brag about this? It's not even that much money. Okay, let's do some Bitcoin analysis. Let's see. And my prediction is still bullish on the future because look at this sell war. Look at this sell war. Okay, liquidation 94K. Oh my god, these people. They just really enjoy liquidating themselves, don't they? They already get liquidated. Wow. Congratulations. 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 I mean, would it be good that too long? Like this could be a very could be an opportunity if we do take low this low in here and I feel okay. See, let's take the liquidation heat map. Yeah, of course they do. I can never guess this markets and the degens that take part in this. Can never get it. 96, 92.8. It's below this low. Let's see. It's around here. Stop loss below. Oh wow. What the hell, man? What was two? I get 100, so we are fine. 45 plus. I think we have no, I think we had lower performance. See another bounce. Is it at the equal lows? Oh yeah, it's at the equal lows. God, man, this why is hope that much? Like, it's over, man. Okay, then we get the markups. Interesting phenomenon. Oh my god, man. What is this? Why do this keep on coping? I just get a liquid bunch in here. A lot of people are going short as well. Wow, very interesting. Ethereum, yeah, look at this. I would be surprised, to be honest. Yep, couldn't be surprised. Hmm. Okay, so this still the projection about our projection. Should losses rageful. Oh, could have enough swift. Wow, 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 wow. What say markets of degens? Yeah, and this was the liquidation map. Simple, weak, weak price action. Like, dude, look at this. That's 6 months. Do they provide 6? I don't think it. Like, there's little to no money below that level. There's not upon this level. But it's easier to dump than pump because all the way to 96. All the way to 96k. 86k. What a market of degens. Wow. So we are at the April lows. The bear market has already ended. Has already started. We're below this low. This is a sign. Get insurance. 80%. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so maybe that's it for this video. I I think the quality is a bit poor because like there's not really anything happened last week. Or there's nothing happened last week really, except Wednesday and Thursday. That's the only day there some price action. With price action, it was not really a good video, but and that's what I guess. I mean, you look at all the indicators with the weights here. This is still at around 33. Over here for Bitcoin dominance heading down. coins, dominance heading up, this engines still up, but why is it going down? I make it. So if it stops, nothing happens. Q, Q is still showing down also. It's similar to the stock market. P is similar price action. Rather, yeah, I mean, the trend is bearish. I mean, by bias is the bias is bearish. So looking for sales. I don't really trade indices. Don't really know how to trade indices. Don't have any order flow app out there. This is a big candle, close to 17 minutes. Wow. Can't imagine a shot here. Maybe around here. No. Can't really spend all day watching the price. Hmm. Mhm. Same. Wow. Every time it has not proper 50 or 60, I mean, a big sell happen. So I think that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.